A man and his nephew were shot and killed on West Avenue in Dunkirk, East Kingston on Wednesday. There is a heavy police and military presence in the area. A waiter was shot dead on Crawford Street in Mount Salem, St. James, Tuesday morning, police are reporting. The deceased has been identified as 34-year-old Sanjay Rankin from Crawford Street in the parish. It was reported that around 9:45 p.m. residents of Crawford Street heard loud explosions in the area and called the police. Lawmen who rushed to the community reportedly found the body of the now deceased lying motionless on its right side. He was clad in a white tank top, blue shorts, and black slippers. Rankin had what appeared to be multiple gunshot wounds to his head and upper body. Police said while processing the scene, 11 9mm spent casings were found. No motive has been established for the attack, the police said. A family from Bonita Way in Mandeville, Manchester woke up to find the body of a man in their front yard Tuesday morning. The body, which was found after residents reported hearing explosions Monday night, is believed to be that of Jerome Ferron, who is reportedly from Grantham address in Clarendon. Information reaching Observer Online indicated that about 8:07 p.m. Monday, residents heard loud explosions in the area and summoned the police. The police reportedly visited the area but did not observe anything irregular. Following a search, the police said no one was seen in the area. Around 7 a.m. on Tuesday, police said occupants of a premises on Bonita Way awoke and saw the body of the now deceased lying face down in their front yard and called the authorities. Police arrived and saw the lifeless body with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the upper body. The scene was processed and the body removed to the morgue pending a post-mortem examination. 2 spent casings were seen at the section of Bonita Crescent, the police said.